To open the sequence, in the Krasnoarmeysk direction, a Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system from the Center Group of Forces delivered precision fire against Ukrainian fortified positions and concentrations of manpower. The strike neutralized defensive structures and enemy positions, weakening the adversary's ability to hold ground in the sector. Meanwhile, in the Zaporizhzhia region, artillery units of the Vostok Group employed Akatsiya self-propelled systems together with D-30 howitzers to deliver concentrated fire against Ukrainian defensive infrastructure. The strikes wiped out an extensive network of strongholds, pillboxes, and dugouts, dismantling fortified positions and neutralizing personnel within them. This operation demonstrates the effectiveness of combined artillery assets in suppressing entrenched defenses, reducing the adversary's ability to hold ground and paving the way for further offensive actions in the sector. Footage captures maneuvering combat operations of a Mi-28NM helicopter crew during the special military operation. Prior to takeoff, the crew received coordinates of Ukrainian UAV personnel and a concealed command post within the center group's responsibility zone. Executing the mission, the pilots launched precision aviation missiles against the identified targets, delivering effective strikes. Following deployment, the crew performed evasive maneuvers, releasing flares to counter potential threats, and successfully returned to base. The operation highlights the agility and precision of Mi-28NM crews in neutralizing enemy assets while ensuring mission safety. The 122mm D-30 howitzers of the 7th Motorized Rifle Regiment, assigned to the 11th Army Corps of the Sever Group of Forces, operated with seamless coordination during recent engagements. UAV pilots provided continuous aerial surveillance, detecting enemy positions and transmitting precise coordinates to the artillery battery. Once the data was received, the crews swiftly repositioned and executed targeted strikes, smashing the adversary's positions and leaving no chance for survival. The operation demonstrated the sharp synchronization between reconnaissance and artillery, underscoring the proficiency of the units in neutralizing threats while maintaining counter-surveillance measures to ensure their own safety. This footage highlights the effectiveness of well-coordinated artillery procedures in delivering decisive battlefield outcomes. Objective control footage from the Zaporizhzhia region records the destruction of a French-supplied Caesar 155mm self-propelled howitzer. The strike was carried out using precision loitering munitions, resulting in the complete elimination of the artillery system. The footage highlights the vulnerability of advanced Western-supplied equipment to targeted drone and missile attacks, underscoring the effectiveness of precision-guided strikes in neutralizing high-value assets. The loss of such artillery reduces the adversary's long-range firepower and weakens its ability to sustain defensive operations in the sector. A massive attack is unfolding in Zaporizhzhia, where explosions have rocked the city and a huge column of smoke and fire rises above the skyline. The regional military administration reported that a critical infrastructure facility was hit, sparking a large-scale blaze visible from multiple districts. More than 11,000 consumers across 2 city districts are currently without electricity as a result of the strike. The situation remains ongoing, with the fire spreading and the attack continuing, underscoring the scale and intensity of the assault on urban infrastructure. In the Krasnoarmeysk direction, artillery crews of the 91st Guards Tank Division employed a Msta-B howitzer to deliver precision fire against a fortified Ukrainian stronghold. The strike successfully neutralized both defensive structures and concentrations of manpower, weakening the adversary's ability to maintain positions in the sector. Still in the same area, Grad multiple launch rocket systems delivered concentrated fire against temporary deployment areas of Ukrainian units. The strikes targeted concentrations of manpower, resulting in significant losses and disruption of defensive arrangements. Objective control footage records an Iskander missile strike on a facility used by Ukrainian forces in the Chernihiv region. The site, located near the settlement of Chernihiv, was employed for the preparation and launch of long-range kamikaze UAVs. The precision strike eliminated this infrastructure, disrupting enemy drone operations and reducing their capacity to conduct long-range attacks. Russia video shows the use of incendiary munitions against Ukrainian militant positions along one of the SVO directions. The strike set defensive areas ablaze, destroying fortifications and forcing enemy personnel to abandon cover. The operation captures the effectiveness of specialized munitions in suppressing entrenched positions, reducing the adversary's ability to maintain resistance. Still in Zaporizhzhia, rocket artillery units carried out a powerful strike against Ukrainian positions near Kharkiv. Multiple salvos from MLRS systems hit their targets with devastating effect, destroying fortifications and disrupting concentrations of manpower. The footage shows the destructive capacity of massed rocket fire, which saturates wide areas and neutralizes defensive strongholds. Recent footage documents FPV drone operations targeting a wide range of Ukrainian military assets. The strikes engaged wheeled and armored vehicles, artillery pieces, unmanned aerial vehicles, dugouts, UAV command posts, communication elements, and electronic warfare systems. By neutralizing both frontline equipment and critical infrastructure, the operation disrupted enemy mobility, command and control, and electronic defenses. The footage underscores the versatility of FPV drones in modern combat, where precision engagements against diverse targets significantly reduce the adversary's combat effectiveness and resilience across multiple domains. Operators of FPV interceptors from the Western military grouping successfully tracked and destroyed multiple Ukrainian reconnaissance drones in the Kupyansk direction. The operation was conducted in close coordination with electronic warfare services and aerial observation posts, ensuring round-the-clock surveillance and suppression of hostile UAVs. Radar units of the 27th Motorized Rifle Brigade detected enemy drones conducting reconnaissance, prompting the rapid deployment of FPV interceptors on combat duty. Real-time footage captured the destruction of several UAVs, including the Shkedrik multi-purpose reconnaissance strike drone, as well as Leylika 100, Furia, and Vector reconnaissance platforms. The engagement highlights the effectiveness of integrated air defense drone units in neutralizing aerial threats and maintaining control of the battle space. Fighters of the Center Group of Forces continue active operations against Ukrainian units in the areas of Krasnoarmeysk, Pokrovsk, Mirnograd, Dmitrov, and across the Dnepropetrovsk region. Objective control footage dated February 10th shows the destruction of enemy infantry, tanks, artillery, transport vehicles, fortified positions, heavy bomber drones, and communication systems. The strikes highlight the effectiveness of coordinated drone and artillery actions in dismantling both manpower and equipment, reducing the adversary's ability to sustain combat operations. These engagements underscore the growing reliance on UAVs and precision firepower to neutralize diverse targets across multiple sectors of the front. In the Sumy region, operators of the Northern Group of Forces employed Orlan 10 reconnaissance drones and strike UAVs to identify and destroy Ukrainian military assets. Using advanced surveillance capabilities, they located enemy equipment, fortified bunkers, and ammunition depots, relaying precise coordinates for targeted strikes. The integration of unmanned aerial systems proved vital in maintaining border security, enabling real-time adjustments and effective fire support under electronic warfare conditions. These missions successfully neutralized threats while safeguarding operators, and the experience gained continues to enhance tactical applications and overall battlefield effectiveness. In the Krasnoarmeysk direction, the crew of a Grad multiple launch rocket system from the 9th Separate Guards Motor Rifle Brigade of the 51st Guards Combined Arms Army executed a decisive strike against Ukrainian defensive positions. Guided by reconnaissance data, the crew swiftly deployed to a firing position, aligned the system, and launched a precise salvo of 122mm rockets. The powerful barrage devastated enemy fortifications, clearing the way for advancing assault units. After completing the mission, the crew promptly vacated the position to avoid counter-battery fire. Artillery units of the Center Group continue to systematically reduce Ukrainian defensive capabilities, ensuring favorable conditions for offensive operations while minimizing risks to their own forces. units of the Novorossiysk Airborne Assault Mountain Division operating within the Dnepr Group continue to effectively counter Ukrainian UAV activity in the Orakovo area of Zaporizhzhia. Despite challenging weather and enemy electronic warfare measures, paratroopers consistently detect hostile drones through aerial reconnaissance and relay target data to Air Defense Command for rapid response. Recent footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense shows FPV interceptor operators ramming and destroying various Ukrainian drones mid-air, while others were eliminated at launch and landing sites. Daily operations result in the neutralization of up to 10 different UAVs, significantly disrupting enemy aerial reconnaissance and strike capabilities in the sector. In the Zaporizhzhia region, UAV operators from the 38th Brigade conducted precision strikes against Ukrainian infantry concealed within a forest strip. The operation targeted enemy personnel attempting to use natural cover for defense and maneuver. The footage highlights the effectiveness of drones in detecting and engaging hidden positions, neutralizing manpower, and disrupting defensive arrangements. Last, drone units of the Eastern Group successfully eliminated a Ukrainian UAV command center in the Dnepropetrovsk region. Surveillance tracked enemy transport delivering supplies and components for new drones, leading operators to identify an active post coordinating UAV operations. After confirming coordinates, Molniya 2 strike drones launched precision attacks while the enemy was unloading equipment, destroying the command center along with its communication systems. Follow-up strikes targeted enemy troops attempting to take cover inside the building. Each destroyed command hub enhances the effectiveness of Eastern Group assault units, facilitating their advance into contested areas of Dnepropetrovsk and Zaporizhzhia. During the advance on the Dobropoli axis, units of the 151st Idritsa Berlin Motorized Rifle Division, Order of Kutuzov, actively targeted Ukrainian unmanned systems forces. The operation focused on eliminating UAV operators, their control points, equipment, and concentrations of infantry. Footage captures the combined combat work of artillery crews and strike drone operators, showcasing coordinated firepower against enemy assets. The division continues to rout Ukrainian forces, dismantling both technological and manpower elements, underscoring its effectiveness in suppressing adversary capabilities and securing tactical advantage in the sector. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.